This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the kit has gauge, adapters, hose, and thread sealant. Missing parts stop progress. Once confirmed, put on gloves and eye protection and work on a cold engine. This prevents hot burns and inaccurate readings. Next, disable ignition and fuel to avoid backfire. Remove the spark plug from the test cylinder and thread the compression adapter by hand until snug. This preserves threads and ensures a proper seal before you move to the next step. With the adapter secured, attach the hose and compression gauge. Make sure the quick connect locks. Crank the engine with throttle wide open for 4 to 6 full compression strokes. This fills the cylinder and gives a stable peak reading. Once you see the highest pressure, write it down and repeat 2 more times to verify consistency. Take the highest stable value. Compare values to manufacturer spec and to other cylinders. Because a variance greater than 10% indicates to finish, depress the gauge release, remove the adapter, and reinstall the spark plug. Then reconnect ignition and fuel so the engine is ready. If a cylinder shows low pressure, perform a wet compression test by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil into the cylinder. Oil can temporarily seal rings so pressure rises if rings are the problem. If the wet test yields no significant improvement, suspect valves, piston rings, or a blown head gasket, stop and consult a mechanic or perform leak-down testing for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.